Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare React versus Django. React is a powerful JavaScript library, primarily used for building dynamic and interactive user interfaces on the front end. On the other hand, Django is a comprehensive, high-level Python web framework designed for rapid backend development, offering a batteries-included approach. Understanding their distinct roles is crucial, as they address different layers of web application architecture. We will explore their individual strengths and ideal use cases to help you decide which is better for your next project. React truly shines in its front-end prowess, enabling developers to craft highly responsive and engaging single-page applications. Its innovative use of a virtual DOM ensures incredibly efficient updates and fast rendering, providing a seamless user experience. With a vibrant community and hundreds of available libraries, React offers immense flexibility and a robust ecosystem. Its component-based architecture also promotes excellent code reusability and maintainability across large projects. Django, conversely, is a powerhouse for backend development, known for its batteries-included philosophy. This means it provides dozens of features out of the box, from an object relational mapper that simplifies database interactions to robust security measures. It emphasizes rapid development and a clean, pragmatic design, making it ideal for complex, data-driven applications. Django's strong security features, like protection against SQL injection and cross-site scripting, are a significant advantage for any web project. Deciding between React and Django ultimately depends on your project's specific requirements. Choose React when your primary focus is a highly interactive, dynamic user interface or a single-page application. Opt for Django if you need a robust, secure backend, a powerful API, or a content-heavy website with complex data models. For many modern applications, combining them with React handling the front end and Django powering the backend offers the best of both worlds. Consider your team's expertise and project scale carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.